Presented by Church Tech U, it's the ProPresenter show. On today's show, different colored backgrounds on different outputs in ProPresenter 7. Hi and welcome again to the ProPresenter show. This is the show where I help you learn about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford. One thing that I discovered kind of accidentally the other day is that each output in ProPresenter can have its own background color. So why would I want to do that? Well, let's head over to my computer and take a look. Here we are in Pro 7 once again, and if we go into Screens and then Configure Screens, you'll notice that I've got a bunch of screens here. A bunch. That's one of the advantages of Pro 7. But when I click on any screen, notice up here the screen color can be different colors. Or no color at all. So why would I want to do it? Well, first off, let me show you how. You click on this little thing right here, and then we've got a there we go. We've got a color selector that pops up. I could use the colored pencil thing here. I could use the color wheel, RGB sliders, etc. So let's pick something. I don't know why you'd ever use this bubblegum pinkish purple color, but let's say you wanted to use that. Now, this background output, its background color, which is the very bottom of all the layers in ProPresenter. So when nothing else is showing, it should be this color. So up here, the Decklink 2, I've made that black. This camera out, I've got that blue, but I have it unchecked, so it's actually going to show up as black. Then I've got this one, a chroma key green. So I've got all these different things. Now let me show you what they look like here in ProPresenter. So alpha, as I showed you, I had that disabled, so it's going to show black. TV, that is got other stuff here, so let me actually clear it all and get rid of my picture-in-picture. So here we see the chroma key green in nursery. In background we have that pinkish purple color that I just showed you, and so on. So why might you want to do that? Well, imagine that you're in a situation where you have to send different outputs of ProPresenter to different places. And some of the places that you need to send that, they use different styles of keying. So, whereas my Alpha 1 up here might be fine just sending text and a transparent background, because that's going through a video switcher. Maybe my nursery output here, let me get rid of that. Maybe my nursery output needs chroma key. And maybe my one of my other outputs needs a different color of chroma key. So, or maybe I just need luma key. So I'm going to remove the black. So that might be why you would want to, that might be why you'd want to do it, and how you can do it and it's really very simple. It's just a little odd that you just have that level of control in ProPresenter, but you absolutely do. If you like this content, I bet you'd like my ProPresenter 7 keyboard shortcut cheat sheet. So just head over to Church Tech U, and I'll leave a link below this video, and you can sign up to get that delivered right to your email inbox. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.